One major use case for batteries is something that we call peak shaving, or what we would be doing technically is optimizing the demand for the building. So if we think of demand like rush hour, when you're going to and from work and everybody's going to and from work at the same time, that is really taxing on the road system. Well, similarly, it's really taxing on the electricity system when everybody shows up at work, turns on all the heat and the lights at the same time. Then everybody goes home, turns on their stove and their oven and their lights at the same time, and their furnaces. That's really taxing on the electricity system. So it's like rush hour. So instead, if we could reduce rush hour to something more optimized, where more people are traveling at noon and more people are traveling at midnight, that's kind of what we're trying to achieve when we talk about peak shaving using batteries for buildings. That's going to reduce costs in some cases massively, and that's what we see as the biggest value add for battery storage.